Imagine a comfy space with light, laughs and learning, all in a power-packed package. This dream comes true at June Home 78723, the perfect student home in vibrant Austin. Your new private rooms in opulent en-suites and non-en-suites feature premium hardwood floors, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher for easy cleanup, and an in-home laundry room for breezy chore days. Plus, with central air conditioning and a 32-inch flat-screen TV in the fully furnished common areas, this property has you covered. Take a break from studying with a stroll in the enclosed backyard. There's also driveway parking for your wheels. Avail speedy Wi-Fi for endless entertainment and uninterrupted FaceTimes back home. The University of Texas at Austin and Houston Tillotson University are just a short drive away, so getting to class on time is super easy. Get around the city effortlessly with the 1827 38th half bus stop just a stroll away. Explore culinary delights from popular cafes all around. So book your spot at June Home 78723 Austin, now with amberstudent.com.